Hello and welcome, and I'm going to show you how to make birds in a nest with rye bread. First thing you gotta do is you put the glass in the middle to make a hole for the bread for the egg to go into. And then go ahead and you butter the middle of the bread, and go ahead and you do the slices of the bread for the rye bread. Okay, we're almost there for the and last but not least, you get the eggs and you crack them in the middle of the rye bread. And then you put the eggshells into the compost. Gotta wash my hands. The egg yolks. Take a look at the birds in the nest. See here, it's going to be fully coated brown. And so here, go ahead, and there you go, and then you let it cook. Looks like I'm making it right this time. And I believe so. What do you think, guys? Turn down 4.0 and there's okay, let's go try and flip. got this one. Good. And it's gonna be crispy. Go here. And get the cutlery. And here is the bird's nest, all nice and served and ready to eat. Yum, yum, yum. Enjoy it, folks, and thank you for watching.